When I look at it, I see more than just the fan blades and the spinner and the fan case and that huge bypass. I see all the systems that sit behind it, how all the electronics come together to control all those complicated systems. Working with Airbus to actually integrate our engine onto that airframe, it is quite a privilege to do it. Our ability to evolve the design but keep some of that absolutely fundamental DNA, that's what's developed the product we have today. As it's the 7th generation of Trent that we have, all those best bits of every Trent before we've been able to actually incorporate. We've taken those latest pieces of technology and inserted them into Trent 7000. A large bypass ratio of 10:1 means that the core of the engine is very small. To get that core to run really efficiently, we need to run it very hot and at high pressures and at high speeds. That blade needs to withstand those incredibly high temperatures. It's akin to putting an ice cube in your oven at 220 degrees and the ice cube's not allowed to melt. And that has been the challenge. And so we have got a fantastic team of aerothermal engineers and mechanical engineers, the team that supports the manufacturing of these components that have actually brought together this amazing technology. As we stand here today, Trent 7000 has had in excess of 12 months of zero in-flight operational impact on any of our customers. Reliability is absolutely key to our customers. They want to actually utilise the aircraft 24 hours of every day. The Trent 7000, with its 99.9% reliability, is truly fantastic. When they want to use the aircraft, they want to use the engine, it's ready to go. Since September 2022, all new Trent 7000s that have been delivered have been to the latest Durability Enhancement Package standard. This package is a suite of modifications, not only components but software as well,
that integrates into the aircraft systems and more than doubles the engine's time on wing. A second phase of the Durability Enhancement Package with additional hot section improvements will deliver an additional 30% improvement to our time on wing.
The A330neo and Trent 7000 are certified to the latest CO2 standards. It is the only aircraft and engine combination that is certified to that standard, and certainly we lead the way across the industry because it's setting the benchmark for the future. We live in a connected world. We still want to be connected to our friends, family, business, and so if we can actually reduce the amount of fuel we use for every mile we fly, we're passing that on both to the customers and then on to the folks that fly on those aircraft. And a Trent 7000 and a A330neo does absolutely that. As a young boy, you were always fascinated by aviation, so testing jet engines in my early 20s was absolutely amazing. To actually be there testing a Trent 700 and then 20 years later to be chief engineer of Trent 7000 was, just absolutely great for me. And it is just truly fantastic that a whole group of engineers can come together and actually make this thing happen. And it's just amazing.